Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I have a new look for the time being. I have straight hair with new color and wanted to show you guys some quick, super easy styles to do with straight hair. So let's just jump right into it. So I already have a side part created, and what I'm going to do is just do a flat twist on the side, on one side of my head, and then I'm going to end up pinning that to the back of my head with a couple of bobby pins. And so yeah, so here you all just see me flat twisting. And so I'm not making the twist too loose or too tight. I feel like I make twists a bit tighter when my hair is curly, but since it's straight, there's no need to make it too tight. So I'm just bobby pinning the end of the twist under the rest of my hair on the other side of my head, and so the other side is going to hide the bobby pin. And so yeah, this is the final look. This is super cute and super quick style to do to just spice up your straight hair. And I forgot to tell you all that my hair is wand curled. I put some wand curls in it before I started the video. And so for this next look, I'm going to make a part across the front of my head to do a small twist at the crown. And so just going to go ahead and part that into two sections and just begin two strand twisting or flat twisting. And so once I get to the end of my twist, I'm just going to bobby pin it behind my ear. And I like to add two bobby pins and crisscross them to make sure that the hair is secure. And then just fluff out the rest of my hair to cover the bobby pins. And so yeah, this is the next look. Another super easy, super fast style to do, like literally in less than 5 minutes. And so for the next style, we're just going to take the twist that we already have and just turn this into a ponytail. And so yeah, you can swing the ponytail over your shoulder if you want. Just kind of do a side ponytail, which is what I'm doing in this frame. And so this is another super cute look to just build off of that last look. And for this next look, I'm going to comb all of my hair out and then create a small ponytail in the middle of my head. And that is basically this look. So again, super quick, super easy, but just, you know, a fun way to spice up your hair. And so for this next look, I'm going to take out a section of my hair kind of from the middle of my head and comb that to the front. And then take this section from the middle of my head and just swoop that around my ear. And I'm going to bobby pin that again with two bobby pins crisscross behind my ear. And so yeah, this is the next look, and you can also kind of do a side ponytail with this as well and just bring the hair over your shoulder if you want to for this look as well. For this next look, I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair down the middle of my head. And y'all, my parts are not straight because I am not the best at parting. And then I'm going to take these two clips that I think I found these at Rite Aid and just clip the hair behind my ears. And so yeah, this is the next look. And so yeah, this is a style that can be worn during the day to work or at night going out with your friends or on a date. So I do feel like all of these styles are pretty versatile. And so for this next style, we're going to keep that middle part. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a small section of hair from the front, just a small piece, and make a skinny braid. And I'm going to leave about 2 to 3 inches unbraided. And then just pin that to the side of my head. And then I'm going to repeat the exact same thing on the other side. And so yeah, this is the final look. I feel like this is a cute boho style, bohemian look, y'all. So I really like this style a lot. So it's one of my favorites. And then for this last look, I just combed all of my hair out, and I'm just taking 2 small sections of hair and leaving those out in the front and just going to create a high ponytail. So yeah, I'm kind of going for the messy pony look. So I feel like this is a super chill style, but still cute at the same time. So y'all let me know your thoughts on these styles, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.